everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to download and install Postman on your PC. Let's get started. First, we have to open a new tab and search Postman download. Then you have to click on the first link and come down. It will say Windows 64-bit. You have to click on it. Now the installer is installing. Now, after it is done, you have to click on it. You have to click on it. Now it is installing Postman. Now you have to click Allow Access. Now our Postman is ready. Thank you.